Welcome to Best Productly.
Top 5 Commercial Dehumidifiers for Basements and Restoration 2026. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with damp basements or tackling water damage, today's video is perfect for you. We're counting down the top 5 commercial dehumidifiers for basements and restoration in 2026. Whether you're
Top 1.
EVA DRY 4000H Rotary Desiccant Dehumidifier.
The EVA EDV 4000H Rotary Desiccant Dehumidifier is an effective solution for controlling moisture in basements, storage rooms, and other damp spaces. Many homeowners and professionals rely on a desiccant dehumidifier to reduce humidity and prevent mold, mildew, and musty odors. Keeping indoor spaces dry supports better air quality and protects walls, furniture, and stored items from moisture damage. Users value dehumidifiers that maintain consistent humidity levels without creating excess noise. A rotary dehumidifier like this one works efficiently in spaces where traditional compressors may struggle, making it ideal for areas with lower temperatures or high humidity. By controlling moisture levels, it also helps prevent corrosion and extends the life of tools, electronics, and other sensitive equipment stored in damp environments. The EVA dehumidifier is compact yet powerful, offering easy placement in tight or large areas while maintaining airflow for
Top 2.
2025 upgraded 5,000 square feet 80 Pint dehumidifier. The 2025 upgraded 5,000 square feet 80 Pint dehumidifier helps manage moisture in larger indoor spaces like basements, utility rooms, or living areas where humidity can cause discomfort and damage. Many homeowners and business owners look for a high-capacity dehumidifier to pull excess moisture from air, reducing the risk of mold growth, musty smells, and damp walls. In places with heavy rains or poor ventilation, controlling humidity improves comfort and protects furniture, clothes, and stored items from moisture harm. People living with allergies or respiratory issues often notice better breathing when air stays dry and fresh.
Top 3.
Philips Series 5002 in 1 air purifier and dehumidifier. The Philips Series 5002 in 1 air purifier and dehumidifier is a versatile solution for maintaining healthy indoor air in homes and offices. Many people rely on a 2-in-1 air purifier to manage both air quality and humidity levels simultaneously, creating a more comfortable and cleaner environment. By filtering out dust, pollen, and other airborne particles while reducing excess moisture, it helps prevent mold growth, musty odors, and allergens from spreading indoors. Users with allergies, asthma, or respiratory sensitivities benefit from a home air purifier that keeps the air fresh and easy to breathe. Reducing humidity also improves overall comfort, making living spaces feel less clammy and helping protect furniture, walls, and personal belongings from moisture damage. Maintaining consistent air quality and dryness supports better sleep, concentration, and well-being.
Top 4.
Dehumidifiers for home. 2.6L large water tank. The dehumidifiers for home with 2.6L large water tank provide an efficient solution for maintaining comfortable indoor air quality by reducing excess moisture. Many households rely on a home dehumidifier to control humidity levels, especially in areas prone to dampness, such as basements, laundry rooms, or bathrooms. Reducing moisture helps prevent mold, mildew, and musty odors, creating a healthier and more pleasant living environment. Users dealing with allergies or respiratory issues notice a significant difference when indoor humidity is properly managed. A large water tank dehumidifier allows for longer operation without frequent emptying.
Top 5.
Dehumidifier and air purifier combo HEPA H13 filter. The dehumidifier and air purifier combo with HEPA H13 filter is a versatile solution for maintaining clean and healthy indoor air. Many households rely on a home air purifier to remove dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, while a dehumidifier reduces excess moisture that can cause mold, mildew, and musty odors. Combining these two functions helps create a comfortable living environment that supports both health and property protection. Users with allergies, asthma, or respiratory sensitivities benefit from a HEPA H13 filter, which captures fine particles and improves overall air quality. Cleaner air reduces irritation, sneezing, and congestion, making it easier to breathe and promoting better sleep. Meanwhile, controlled humidity helps prevent dampness, protecting furniture, electronics, and fabrics from moisture damage over time.
Price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.